Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions. There is one topic which is often difficult for the students, and that topic is weather.
Okay.
They ask questions about weather, and students take this topic to seasons. Season is different, weather is different. Weather is like weather condition on the daily basis. We also say weather forecast.
Okay.
And season is a periodical thing, like winter, summer, spring, autumn, and all that. So the topic is weather, it's not season. Okay. Now let's take a start. What kind of weather do you like the most?
Well, I like dry weather with temperature ranging below 30.
Okay, now this answer is very short.
Okay.
It may irritate the examiner, and then examiner will say why.
Okay.
If you don't give appropriate answer, then they'll ask you more questions.
Okay.
So try to answer in 4-5 sentences. With your answer, there should be 3 parts. First, answer the question directly. That's what you did. Now elaborate your answer why you like dry weather, and in 1 sentence conclude your answer.
Okay.
So let's go on. What kind of weather do you like the most?
Well, I like dry weather with temperature staying below 30 degrees, which makes me comfortable living without a fan or without air conditioners, whereas it isn't very cold even, so I have to wear many clothes.
Okay, so to answer your question, I love moderate weather, or I love dry weather with the normal temperature. There should be 1 sentence conclusion. You are giving a message to the examiner that I have finished my answer. Now you can ask me next question.
Okay.
Right? Let's go on. What is the weather like in your hometown?
Normally it is dry weather with sunny days, with bright colors, a colorful day. That is the weather in my hometown.
Okay, this answer is again short and a bit unclear. You need to link your ideas with the question. What is the weather like in your hometown? Well, in my hometown, most of the time it's dry. Whether it's summer or winter, we've got dry weather. Although we've got a spell of rains also, but mainly the weather tends to be dry in my hometown. That's it.
Okay.
Okay? Alright. Do you like the weather of your hometown?
Yes, certainly. I do like the weather of my hometown. As I've said earlier, it is very light color and a colorful day, not like a gray weather with much of the clouds and rains. So daylight attracts me a lot.
Okay, so to answer your question, I love the weather of my city. Right? One concluding sentence
Okay.
should be there. And again, I say you should focus organization of your answer. Along with organization, clarity.
Okay.
Whatever you speak, it should be clear.
Okay.
Organization means first things first, then second, and then final. All right, let's go on. Do you prefer dry weather or wet weather?
Well, I like dry weather because in our hometown or in my city, we do not have very good sewage system, so there are a lot of problems after rain or heavy rain spells. So for us, people living in my hometown, we like dry weather.
Okay, this is better. This is good. Now, let's go on. One more question. Do you take interest in weather forecast?
Yes, because considering my commute is a very long distance. So I have to focus on weather because if there's an unexpected rain, it would affect my daily commute. So weather forecast is important for me.
Exactly, and I often get updates about weather forecast on different news channels. This is good. So overall it's fine. Just focus the question, answer directly, elaborate your answer and conclude your answer.
Okay.
This should be the thing, and try to speak clearly.
It
You'll
was
be
a
fine.
very dry topic.
Yeah, I understand.
It was
I
a very dry
understand.
topic.
Okay, you can make it wet by selecting
I
rain.
was just ranging around one point. If the weather is sunny and it is very
Exactly.
dry.
So you can do one thing. You can improvise some ideas. Change your opinion.
Okay.
Like for example, what kind of
changed
weather?
it. I do
First
like
time you
rains.
say dry weather, then you
Yes.
can say I like wet weather, cloudy weather, and all that.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.